I'm back and it's cold out here and I feel like crap, but you know what? I got my finals done with and I'm bored and I have nothing better to do other than install my clutch this weekend, and so I went ahead and bought myself a shift knob. It's just an energy shift knob I got on clearance, so it's really cheap, but it looks really nice for the car, for the style I'm going for. And yes, this video probably is low quality, but it's on my phone, so it is what it is. And I didn't want to pull out my GoPro, or yeah, that's the only camera I have. But so today I'm gonna be using this double-sided tape, and some gauze. And what we're gonna be doing is wrapping this stick, the shaft, whatever you call it. I'm blanking out right now, but anyways, it's late, I'm tired, you know. And oh yeah, this is the knob if you didn't see already. It's like this nice pure paint white, whatever you call it, with a red. And basically, do you ever feel like your hand's kind of lonely? You're just shifting away, just like alone in a cold little place, the cold metal shaft. Me too. And so what I'm going to be doing now is taking this metal shaft and wrapping it with this gauze. And I'm not quite sure if it'll turn out good or not, but you know what? It is what it is, and I'm bored. And we have Athena over there. She's like just chilling out. Yeah. So let's get started. So if you didn't catch it already, I'm using this double-sided tape, which is called mounting tape. And I just picked it up from a local hardware shop. I'm not going to disclose the name because, you know, I'm not getting sponsored out here. Yeah, so just pick up some double-sided tape. It could run for like $5, and some gauze tape, just Band-Aid, cloth wrap. Yes. So yeah, so we're gonna wrap this in this first. It's the upper layer isn't like sticky. You have to take off this film. I don't know if you already know that, but if you do, that's cool. And so yeah, let's get started. Alright, so yes, I'm wearing a headlamp because it's dark in here, and now that we've got this double-sided tape on, which I know it's not like super necessary to have because gauze is already kind of sticky, but I'm just doing it because it makes it like thicker, you know, thicker the better. So yeah, now the tape's on. I already took off the seal, as you guys just saw, and focus. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this gauze on, and then we shall see how it turns out. Alright, so I finished with it, and it's okay. It's not great, but you know what? It is what it is. It's a make do little wrap, and it's not like bad, but it's nothing to like be super proud about. I still need to get a short shifter for this because, you know, oh my gosh, throws, but it is what it is for now. And who knows, maybe I'll redo it, maybe I'll do it without that tape underneath to get it more stiff. But right now it's nice and it's like a bit squishy. Not too squishy, but you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, put this back on. I don't know why. It's like, it looks like it's kind of wet under here, but we're not gonna worry about that right now. It is what it is. If it's a problem, it'll come up eventually. You know, whatever. Let's see. I really thought that this would turn out a little bit different, but hey, it's okay. And I don't know why this is so dirty all of a sudden. Let's go ahead and wipe that off. Good as new. Yes. Put this back on now. Alright, so yeah, it's not bad. It's nothing great though. As you can see, it takes away that metal look. So now it's like your pinky right there, or my pinky, since I have a pretty big hand, big guy, big hand, you know, big hand, big feet. Yeah, it is what it is. If I want to redo it, I'll redo it. But for now, it's okay. I'm satisfied for now. Who knows? If you have any other ideas, feel welcome to leave a comment below. Leave a like, dislike, whatever. Subscribe, I don't care. This is just for entertainment. I'm not trying to sell anything. If you want me to wrap ears, actually no, that sounds weird. Don't. But yeah. Oh yeah, I decorated my car for Christmas. There's Santa hats, lights, and little antlers up out there, and a little red nose. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna call it there. Quit for the day. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Actually no, it's still only 11 o'clock, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head inside. I still need to there's a few things I need to do. Like, I should go ahead and install my clutch soon. This clutch has been burning up for a long time now, and the car stinks, but I've gone like nose blind to it, so I don't smell it anymore, but I'm sure my passengers do. It just smells like burning metal. Just think of it like that. Yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. If there is a next time, and if I'm still alive. If I don't wreck myself before. Yeah. See ya.